How to install N8N on Mac. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install N8N on a Mac so you can build automated workflows right to your own computer.
So to get started, you'll need a package manager like Homebrew. This makes it easier to install tools like Node.js, which is required for running N8N. Once you have Node.js and npm installed, you can now move on to installing N8N itself. Once installed, you can launch N8N right from your terminal. It'll open up a local server that you can access in your browser, usually through a link like localhost. You will see it just like this box right here. From there, you'll see the N8N dashboard and can start building your own first workflow. You might want to keep N8N running in the background while you work, and for that you can use tools that allows background processes. So N8N doesn't shut down when you close the terminal, because take note, once you close the terminal, N8N will stop working. It's also a good idea to save your workflows in a dedicated folder to keep everything organized. Installing N8N on a Mac is great if you're just getting started and want to test things out locally without paying for a server. It's fast, easy, and gives you full access to all of N8N's features. And that's how you install N8N on Mac.